Okay, another narrated killer Sudoku. Okay, uh, as I said, hope if you're watching these and you're not sure what to do, hopefully seeing someone do one and pick up all of the little intricacies will help you. Okay, so we're going to start as we always do. Try and find the simple one cell numbers. Okay, I think that's it. Oh no, 6 is over there. I don't know why I want to start down here. So the 4, put the 1 and 3 in, and then we've got this cell here. We should be able to, because the whole box has to add up to 45. So 11 plus 8 is 19, plus 19 plus 16 is 35, plus 4, 39. So that means that's 6. Means that is 7. Now, given that this one right here is 17, so there's what I call within sums and without sums, okay? So without sums are like the one we have here. So you've got 7, you've got 14, you've got 5, you've got 11, you've got 17. Now what's in the box has to add up to 45. So what's left over, the remainder, is what's should go in those two boxes. And given that, we've got 8 and 9 in that box, so we just got to add up what's in here. So 17 plus 14, 31. 31 plus 7 is 38. 38 plus 5 is 43. And then 43 plus 11 is 54. So this box has to add up to 9. So that can't be 9. That has to be 8. That's 1. So that helps us here, because we know that's 2 and 3. That is 2 and 3. This has got to be 10. The remainder here has got to be 10. Can't be 1. Can't be 2 and 3. So that's going to be 4 and 6. Can't be 4 in this box here. So that's 4 and that's 6. So I can solve what needs to go in this 14. So it's going to be 1, 5 and 8. 8 has to go in here. There's 1 and 5. Excellent. Let's just go back here and let's sort this 11 out. Apologies, phone rang. We have a landline in this house. I know. So where were we? Oh yeah, down here. We're going to sort this 11 out. So can't be 3 and 8. Can't be 5 and 6. So can't be 5 and 6. So it's 2, 4, 7 and 9. So 2 can't be 4, 7 and 9 there. The pair is 2 and 9 and the 4. Now this line across here, that is one we can get easily, okay? So again, everything lines add up to 45. So 6 plus 11, 17. 17 plus 16 is 33. Plus 7 means this right here is going to be a 5. And that means that the 7 here, 6 plus 5, those pairs are 1 and 2. So the only thing that can go here is 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let's get 8 and 9 in while we're down here. Why not, you know? That means that can't, because the 4 then kills the 4 in the 11. One way round. 4. Okay, and what's remainder is 1, 7 and 8. So 1, 7 and 8. 1, 7 and 8. And that's 1 and... Oh, that's 7. Whoopsie. Whoopsie doodles. Could have saved myself some time there. 7 and 8. So 1, 7 and 8 means that that's 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So essentially what I'm saying is 9. It's either 1 and an 8. Can't be 1 and 8 because that's up there. 2 and 7. Can't be 2 and 7 because that's there. So the remainder is 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what's going to go in here? 9. Can't be... Okay, can't be 1 and 8. Can't be 3 and 6. Can't be 4 and 5. So it's 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. That means the remainder is, so it's 1 and 6. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So let's have a look in here. So 5 plus 1 is 6, which means this would be 8. So it can't be 1, it has to be 6. 5 and 6 would be 3, which means that this is going to be, let's get that done. 1. There's no 3 to pair with this 6. It's 4 and 5. Then 1, 3. Let's look. 1, 2, 2. Okay, so if that's 17, then that's going to be 2. 2 and 6. That has to be 9. Okay, so, and then bottom corner, 1, 2, 3. It's got to be 4. So that has to be 4 there. Because scanning says that it can't go in. That column has to go here. Let's sort that out as well. 4. So 5 is the other number. One of the other numbers that goes there. 4 and 5. 9, remainder 7. There we go. So let's clear that out as well. 2 and 3. Okay, now let's have a look in this one here. I've got my cell, box and square. So 23 in that cell, 24, 32, 32 plus 9, 41. So that means that's a 4. Which means this is 1 and 3. Oh, didn't know it's another keying error. Does annoy me, but there's nothing I can do. Okay, cool. So let's get this one as well. I think that, so 6 plus 11 is 17. 6 plus 11, 17. Plus 9. In fact, screw this. We're going to do it the other way. 8 plus 9 is 7. So 17, 18 plus 7, 25. 25 plus 9, 34. Plus 9 more, 43. So that's a 2. That's a 9. Clean this bottom corner up as well. 8 and 9. So then, what does that make? A lot of things. So in here, 1, so that's going to be 2, 2 and 2, 3, it's got to go here, 3, so it's a 6 as well. So that's a 2 and that's a 6. So anyway, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5's got to go up there. And that's going to be 4, and that's going to be 5. 5 and 5. 6, 7. 7's got to go up here. 7 and 7's got to go in here. 8. 9 means that's got to be a 9. That's got to be a 5. So a combination of maths and scanning and process of elimination, etc., etc. So that means that 7 and 8 is 15, which means that's a 3. There's the 4 up down the bottom. So then 3, 3, 3. That can't be 9. That can't be 9 up there, so this has to be 9. Oh. Have I lost my mind? Yeah, I've lost my mind. Don't mind me, I've refound my mind. I blame any number of things. Okay. Done it again here. So that has to be 7 there, because scanning and maths. So that's a 7, that's an 8. Hey, look, sometimes I'm really good at this, sometimes I'm really not. Can't be 2 and 4, that has to be 8. That has to be 1, because it has to be 1 and 5 up here. 1 and 5. So what we've got left? 3 and 6, I do believe. So that's got to be 6. 6, 3, 3. Oh, that's all the 3's gone. So do a bit more scanning. 4s. 4, 4, 4. It's got to go there. Okay, so 4 can't go here, and it can't go up there because 3's cutting across, so that has to be a 4. If that's a 4, then that's 4 in the top right-hand corner. 5. 5 can't go in there because of the 6. That means a 5 has to go there. 1, 5. 5 in here. 4 and 5 is 9, so that's going to be a 7. Which means that by scanning, that has to be a 7 up there. Let's go back to 6. Okay. 6 can only go there. 6 is up there. That's a 1 as well. 1, 1. Okay, by scanning, that's now a 1. 2. That has to be 2. That has to be 9. That's 9, that's 9. Then that has to be 9, and that has to be 2. Which means that that has to be 8. That has to be 2. That has to be 8. Process of elimination. Excellent. Yeah. I think that one went pretty well. Apparently I've solved 4 puzzles today. 2 more than yesterday. I know. I really do know. Yeah. I think I'm doing quite well. Current win streak, 21. Oh, I need just one more. One more and equal my best. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that one and hope to see you on the next one.